AI is taking away the jobs. Internships are scarce now, and the students are asking one simple question: how do I make money? And yes, I do not have money to spend. Well, let's talk reality. Good day, welcome, Sat Shri Akal. Welcome to our channel, The Homestay Academy, nurturing Airbnb-preneurs. I'm Captain Sarabdeep, and we are the Homestay Academy. At the core of the Homestay Academy lies you, the Airbnb hosts. Week after week, one message is consistent in our various consultancy calls: how do I make money without investment? I'm a student and I want to work, I want to deploy my skills, I want to learn, but I do not have money to invest. Well, don't worry, there are so many options right now available online or even offline for actually making money, where you barter your skills and you make the money. The world has actually changed very fast. AI has taken away repetitive jobs now. So, how and what do you barter? Well, initially, the jobs were actually looking for degrees, looking for some certification. But now, there are so many options where you can freelance, you can code, you can work from home, you can barter your skills, because now the job providers are actually seeking your skills. Companies are actually hiring freelancers, operators, and problem solvers, not just toppers. But there is one important problem: most of the people are looking for easier way of making money without much effort. Well, the reality is there is very small scope where you put in less effort and make good money, and that also comes with the right skills. So to make money, you have to actually gain knowledge, gain skills, or might as well invest money. But you have the time to invest, you have the skill to invest, so why don't you do that? And how do you improve your skills and knowledge? You learn, right? You burn your hands, you do the groundwork, and slowly you gain the required knowledge and skill which the job provider is actually looking for, and you can barter that to exchange money, right? So let's quickly understand the basics. How do you make money by bartering skills? So there are various options. There is freelancing, content writing, social media management, editing, designing, coding. These are good options, but they're very crowded, right? Everybody today is a freelancer. Everybody today is a content writer or a editor, whatnot. Very crowded space, right? So you'll have to really work hard. You have to really differentiate yourself from the crowd by learning the right skills. It is hard, but achievable. But let me now introduce you to a very underrated skills which a lot of people, a lot of students have actually not noticed yet. Hosting your home as a short term rental, as a homestay, or in layman terms, Airbnb. Airbnb hosting is not just about, hosting someone at your stay. It's a lot about communication, guest handling, right pricing, right strategies, right systems, discipline, and operations. And my friend, here is the student advantage. As a student, you have time to learn, time to experiment, time to make mistakes, and that is so much powerful. If you're a student and your parents own a property or a flat or apartment or an ancestral home, my friend, your opportunity lies just there. No rent pressure, no investor pressure, just pure Airbnb hosting with equipped with the right skills and knowledge. And don't worry, if you do not own a property, you still can help owners of property with your knowledge, with your skill, and you become their co-host and help them host on Airbnb or other platforms and help them create revenue for them. And you can take a rev share or a fixed income, whatever your planning or understanding with that owner or investor is. Let's now understand the trends. Actually, short-term rental, homestay business, Airbnb business is actually booming in India. It's one of the major markets for Airbnb, for homestays, for short-term rentals. More homes are coming online. More, Airbnbs are being listed every day. But my friend, there is a catch. Quality hosting is actually lacking. Airbnb data proves that actually, we have good inventories, but quality hosting is rare. There is where, with the right knowledge, the right skill, you can create a space for yourself. See, most Airbnb owners do not a lot of things, and we have understood this after more than 1,000 consultancy calls with Airbnb owners. Major things we've noticed is the following: they don't understand the Airbnb rules, they don't have the messaging discipline, they don't really understand what are strikes, what to do and what not to do on Airbnb, and they really don't understand how to improve visibility. Basically, we are a very good host, we understand the operations part, but what about technicalities? We don't understand policies, we don't understand the intricacies, and we don't have the time to understand that. And there is where a big gap comes in, which the Homestay Academy is actually trying to fill. We've divided hosting into two parts: the operations and the technical. You handle the operations, we can guide you, create systems and SOPs for that, so that you don't waste time on the technical. We understand the technical, we understand how policy works, we understand how to increase your visibility, engagement, bring more bookings on Airbnb, and together as a team we work to increase your revenue, make your Airbnb hosting sustainable. And exactly that is the way you students can learn about hosting, understand what Airbnb hosting is, understand the technical intricacies, and provide your skills and knowledge and barter that for the revenue. You would create revenue, for you help owners create revenue, and you take your rev share. Simply put, there is a need for these kind of people. Equipped with the right skill and knowledge, you are a person which is in demand. And the fun part is, during this journey, when you are actually studying, you can do this along with that, because this is something which don't require you to go to any office. You can work from home. All you need is a good connection, a good laptop or a phone, and good skills, right? And what is the advantages? As a student, you start understanding business, you learn good communication, you handle humans, real emotions, and you handle a lot of things. So basically, your student period is your internship period. As soon as you finish your studies, you are actually on the path of becoming a entrepreneur, and not an entrepreneur but an Airbnbpreneur. So, are you someone looking to equip yourself with the right skills and knowledge? And if you're someone looking for clarity and not hype, then you don't need to wait any longer. We have the right strategy, the right systems just for you. You can click on the link below and book your one-on-one free consultancy call with our experts. And yes, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel, The Homestay Academy. Thanks for watching.